Hi, this is Vanessa Salinas auditioning for Rainbow Dash.
Never fear, your friendly neighborhood Rainbow Dash is here.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh!
Oh, you want to do this the hard way? Well, do this the hard way. I'm flying circles around ya. I'm just warming up. Ow! Take that. Hoof dive. Get off there and put 'em up. They don't call me Rainbow and Dash for nothing. Is this some kind of cruel joke? Are you kidding? I can do sonic rainbows in my sleep. Why don't you quit talking and get walking? It needs to be about 20% cooler. 10 seconds flat. I still stay your nutty, but hey, I've done lots of nutty things.